In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a goals tracker in Notion. If you want a simple system to organize your goals and actually follow through on them, Notion is a great place to do it. The idea is to create one central space where you can see your goals, break them down into actionable pieces, and keep track of your progress over time. Start by creating a brand new Notion page specifically for your goals. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. And think of this page as your main dashboard. This will be the space where everything related to your goals lives. So keeping it clean and focused will make the system easier to use. Once the page is ready, add a goals database. This database will act as the core of your tracker. It gives you a structured way to store and manage all of your goals in one place instead of scattering them across different notes or pages. A database also makes it much easier to sort, filter, and review your information later. Now begin writing each goal as a separate entry in that database. Try to make each one specific and easy to understand at a glance. When every goal has its own entry, it becomes much easier to manage and update without confusion. After that, add useful properties to your database. Include a deadline so you know when you want the goal completed. Add a status property to show whether the goal is not started, in progress, or finished. Include a priority field so you can quickly tell which goals matter most right now. Then add a progress property to help you measure how far along you are. Sisu, these details give your tracker real structure and make it much more practical. Next, break each goal into smaller tasks or milestones. This is one of the most important parts of the process because big goals can feel overwhelming when they stay too broad. Smaller steps make your goals feel manageable and help you build momentum. Once those tasks or milestones are created, connect them to the correct goal. This keeps everything organized and makes it easy to see which action items belong to which outcome. It also helps you understand how your day-to-day work contributes to the bigger picture. From there, update your progress regularly. Even small updates are valuable because they keep your tracker current and useful. The more consistently you maintain it, the more reliable it becomes. Finally, review your goals every week or every month to stay on track. A regular review helps you notice what's moving forward, what needs attention, and where you may need to adjust. With a simple routine like this, your Notion Goals Tracker can become a powerful tool for staying focused and making steady progress.